May's First Day of School. Words and Pictures by Kate Berube. May's first day of school. Today is May's first day of school. When her mother said, "Time to get dressed," May said, "I'm not going." When her father said, "Eat your breakfast," May said, "I'm not going." When her mother said, "Put on your coat," May said, "I'm not going." On the walk to school, her mother told her about all the fun things she would find there. Things like class pets and great big libraries and long, wild recesses. On the walk to school, May thought about all the things that could go wrong. Things like, what if the other kids didn't like her? And what if she was the only one who didn't know how to write? And what if she missed her mother? When they got to school, there were lots of other parents and kids outside. May's mother said, "Hello, how are you? This is May's first day of school. And what a beautiful day it is." "Well, isn't that wonderful?" said a man. "But where is May?" "May," called her mother, "where are you?" And May answered, "I'm not going." May wondered if she could live in this tree. She thought maybe she could. There was a mossy spot she could sleep on. And she had a whole lunchbox full of food to eat. Then May heard some rustling. "Hello," said the small girl. "Hello," said May. "Rosie, come down from that tree right now. School is starting soon," called the man from below. "I'm not going to school," said Rosie. "Me neither," said May. "Would you like a cookie?" Today is May and Rosie's first day of school, but they are not going. "Why aren't you going to school?" asked May. "Well," said Rosie, "I'm not going because what if no one will play with me? Or what if I have to read? I don't know how. Or what if I miss my dad?" Just then they heard the rustling sound of someone else coming up. "Hello," said the tall lady. "Hello," said May quietly. "We're not going to school." "That's good," said the tall lady. "I'm not going to school either." And she settled comfortably into a spot on the bottom branch and gazed out through the leaves. "Who are you?" asked Rosie. "I'm Miss Pearl," said the tall lady. "Would you like a cookie, Miss Pearl?" asked May. "Yes, please," said Miss Pearl. Today is May and Rosie's and Miss Pearl's first day of school, but they are not going. "Miss Pearl, why aren't you going to school?" asked May. "Well," she answered, "I'm not going because what if the kids don't like me? Or what if I forget how to spell Tuesday? Or what if I miss my cat?" May smiled at Miss Pearl and Rosie. "You know what? We're all afraid of the same things. I'm glad I'm not the only one." "Me too," said Rosie. "And you know what else? You don't have to be worried about nobody liking you because I like you both." "Oh, me too," said Miss Pearl. "And you don't have to be worried about making mistakes when you're reading and writing, School is for learning new things. And if we lived in this tree, we'd miss our families anyway, said May. Plus, we're out of cookies, said Rosie. And then May said, okay, here we come. Today is May and Rosie's and Miss Pearl's first day of school. And there they go. The end. Thank you for listening. If you like this story, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more stories, please subscribe to the Storytime channel. Have a nice day.